Welcome to New Car Updates. Today, we are diving into the world of luxury on wheels with the brand new 2025 Cushy Sprinter Camper van. This camper van is designed for those who crave adventure without compromising on comfort. Whether you're exploring the mountains, coasting along the beach, or heading off-grid, the Cushy Sprinter Camper van has everything you need to make your journey extraordinary. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Cushy Sprinter Camper van is built on the reliable and powerful Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. It boasts a sleek, modern design with aerodynamic styling that not only looks great but also improves fuel efficiency. The front grille is bold and sophisticated, with advanced LED headlights that provide excellent visibility for night driving. With an extended wheelbase, you get extra space inside without sacrificing maneuverability. Plus, the optional all-wheel drive system ensures you can handle tough terrains with ease. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and spacious interior. The living area is designed with high-quality materials and a thoughtful layout, giving you the perfect blend of style and practicality. Plush seating in the lounge area transforms into a comfortable bed, providing a cozy space to relax after a long day on the road. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light while giving you breathtaking views of your surroundings. The kitchen in the 2025 Cushy Sprinter Camper van is a dream for anyone who loves to cook on the go. It features a dual-burner induction cooktop, a large stainless steel sink, a microwave oven, and a full-sized refrigerator. There is plenty of counter space for meal preparation and ample storage for all your cooking essentials. Whether you're making a quick snack or preparing a gourmet meal, this kitchen is ready for anything. Next to the kitchen, you'll find the wet bath. It's compact yet fully functional, with a shower, a cassette toilet, and a fold-down sink. The waterproof surfaces are easy to clean, and the built-in ventilation system keeps the space fresh. No matter where you are, you can enjoy the convenience of having your own private bathroom. When it's time to rest, the Cushy Sprinter Camper van delivers comfort. The rear seating area quickly converts into a spacious queen-size bed with memory foam cushions for a restful night's sleep. There are also overhead storage cabinets to keep your belongings organized. If you need extra sleeping space, there's an optional pop-top roof with a comfortable loft bed, making this camper perfect for families or friends traveling together. Technology is a key highlight in the 2025 Cushy Sprinter Camper van. The driver's cockpit features the latest Mercedes-Benz MBUX infotainment system with a 10.25-inch touchscreen. It includes navigation, voice control, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration, keeping you connected and entertained on the road. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system make driving safer and easier. For off-grid adventures, the Cushy Sprinter Camper van is equipped with a solar power system and high-capacity lithium batteries. This means you can power your devices, appliances, and lighting without relying on external hookups. There's also a 30-gallon freshwater tank and a gray water system, allowing you to stay off the grid for longer periods without sacrificing modern comforts. Climate control is also a priority in the 2025 Cushy Sprinter Camper van. It comes with a powerful air conditioning system for hot days and an efficient diesel heater to keep you warm in colder climates. No matter where your journey takes you, you'll always travel in comfort. Customization options allow you to make the Cushy Sprinter Camper van truly your own. Choose from a variety of interior finishes, upholstery materials, and additional tech upgrades. Whether you want a minimalist modern look or a cozy rustic vibe, you can personalize your camper to match your style. The 2025 Cushy Sprinter Camper van is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile sanctuary designed to enhance your travel experiences. With its blend of luxury, innovation, and rugged capability, it's the perfect companion for any adventure. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this camper van delivers everything you need for the journey of a lifetime. Thanks for watching New Car Updates. If you enjoyed this tour of the 2025 Cushy Sprinter Camper van, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting vehicle reviews. Let us know in the comments where you would take this luxury camper on your next adventure. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest and greatest in the automotive world.